Ow! What you doing? Hmm? Hmm?
I put my cup down for a solid second, and this man's has his entire. Why are you? Good girl, come. Come. Is that? Oh no, Lily would have hated this.
Mother. Mother, I crave violence.
Do you have anything else?
I think there's layers to it. You know, it's like
Why did you say yes?
because it's not as simple as that. That's like me saying.
The question ego.
He's gonna jump on me.
Go get you. Give us a little kitten. Oh no!
It's not that deep.
Прими его.
Speed. I am speed.
How old are you? Are you 5? Yeah.
I love you. Dave? Buddy? Do you even have bones?
Did you ever see my baby meow?
I'm just gonna borrow the chips for a moment. Here. Give them. Just give them back. Give me the chips! Oh. Okay, I don't want any. Oh.
Why is it spicy?
I'll call this cat roulette.
Okay, so, I'm just...
Nino!
What's wrong, man? You ain't nothing. You ain't like bath time?
complicated once the baby comes.
You know what I want.
Oh, that was so mean. Are you okay?
Tell me you and your cat are both fat asses without actually telling me that you and your cat are both fat asses. I'll go first.
Tommy. Tommy. Pa. Tommy. Tommy.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
Hi, thank you for all coming today. This is pretty serious, so yeah, for sure. What's wrong?
Oh, I'm sorry. Do you think you have a toxic work environment? Ow!
Let me in, 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 let me in.
I tried using my cat as a pillow. This is what happened.
Yes, I know you don't like it, but here's the thing that's crazy. It wasn't for you. This is my food. Stop burying it.
And now I have a cat with separation anxiety. We're in the shower.
Yo, Spunky, what are you doing, dog? You sniffing ass.
Oh my god.
No, this is the...
If somebody say something I don't like, slap. If somebody look at me a way I don't like, slap. If somebody breathe too hard around me, slap, slap.
Show something you regret getting, then show what you turned it into.
Oh no!
If you touch that again, I shall kill you right now. Okay. Do not touch this. This is a no touching zone. Good. Well then... Oh my God! I can't believe you reached across like that again. I can't even believe it. Don't cross this line with your hand.
It's taken 10 years off my life.
Bruh! Ah!
Look at the finger and see how they react.